Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you the latest and greatest in household innovations. Today, we're diving into a must-have tool for every home. The BOOMJOY Microfiber Feather Duster with Extendable Pole. This isn't just any ordinary duster. It's the best insect duster on the market, and we're about to find out why. Let's start with the basics. This duster features a microfiber head that's designed to trap dust and dirt without letting it escape. But what sets it apart is its bendable head. Unlike traditional dusters, this one can be adjusted to any angle, making it perfect for those hard-to-reach places where insects love to hide. But wait, there's more. The stainless steel pole extends up to 100 inches, allowing you to clean high ceilings, ceiling fans, and even cobwebs with ease. No more balancing on chairs or risking injury by climbing ladders. With this duster, you can reach every corner of your home safely and efficiently. Now, let's talk about durability. The BOOMJOY duster is built to last, with a scratch-resistant cover and a sturdy handle that won't bend or break under pressure. Plus, the microfiber head is detachable and washable, so you can keep it clean and fresh for years to come. In conclusion, if you're looking for the best insect duster that money can buy, look no further than the BOOMJOY Microfiber Feather Duster with Extendable Pole. Its innovative design, durable construction, and unbeatable performance make it a must-have for every home. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to Product Critique for more reviews and recommendations.